Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add your signature to Microsoft Outlook so that it can be saved and used for future use. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, and then on the left side, you want to select Options. Select the Mail option underneath General, and then on the right side where it says Create or Modify Signatures for Messages, go ahead and select the Signatures button. So if you don't have anything currently in here, I'm just going to go ahead and select New. Type in a name for the signature. So you just type in name or whatever, it doesn't really matter to me. So at this point, you go ahead and paste in your signature. So when I say signature, I don't mean your physical signature, which you can actually put in, but this is just more for your name, company name, your title, that kind of thing would go in here. And then you would select OK to save that. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much all there is to say about that on this topic. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.